The following message is transmitted at the request of Virginia State Police. A complete failure of reactor number 4 was reported at the North Hanna Nuclear Power Station, resulting in toxic materials being released into the air. A mandatory evacuation order has been issued for residents within a 20-mile radius of the plant. The following counties are affected: Louisa, Spotsylvania, Orange, Hanover, and Caroline. Make sure to bring a flashlight, a battery-powered radio, food, water, clothing, and medical supplies. Follow evacuation routes which have been set up by local authorities, and bring at least one vehicle. Do not return to the warning areas until the all-clear has been given. If you are not in the evacuation radius, stay where you are. Do not use the telephone except for emergencies. Stay tuned to local radio stations and media outlets for further details and information.
Bring your checkbook. Thinking of entering a boggle tournament over at the Elks.
Boggle? Boy, the Elks will do anything for $1. Are they still playing that game?